I see that this file opened in Pro 2016. I guess it doesn't matter. It's a home designer title, but the roof tools are the same.
Hey Dad, are you talking to us?
No, I'm recording a tutorial. Shut up. So, what to do? Well, I don't know why some of this stuff didn't automatically generate, but it's pretty straightforward from my point of view. From the picture, let me see what you've got set here as the, where's the roof tools? I don't see the roof tools. Oh, I know what I need to do. I need to set up the toolbars. Okay, I've got child. All right, well, where's the build roof dialog? Is that it? No. I'm having a brain fart here. I can't find the build roof icon. Hang on a second. Let me open this in X7. I thought it had opened in X7 and opened in Home Designer Pro 2016. They're quite similar, but I'm more used to working with this one. So, hang on. Let's add a couple minutes to the tutorial. CT, that's it. Sorry about that. Okay. And we're on the second floor. I'm going to zoom into that bump out there and just draw some hip roofs. There's the build roofs tool. Click on that. I'm just going to draw them with the whatever you got the pitch set to. Three roof planes. I'm going to go back to the overview. I think the more, if you're not used to doing manual roofs, this will make more sense to you. There's the three roof planes I just drew. And I'm going to click on one edge and use the join roofs tool and join the other edge. He said with great certainty. There we go. Same thing on the other side. So that was pretty easy. Now there's some tie-in to do up roof and so forth, but that seemed to be pretty straightforward. Now this area here, you look at the video that you posted, and there's a bunch of little segments there at different angles. And I don't know if I want to do that manually. I can. I've done it before, but I'd rather not. I'm going to finish tying in this deal here. Here's the main roof plane edge. I'm going to put some brakes in it. Just enough to kind of get started, enough for the software to kind of carry out the commands I'm going to give it. So that new edge I just created there, I'm going to take that edge and select it and join it to the adjacent edge there, like that. And it looks like to me that this is going to end up being a triangle. Yeah. I'm going to bring this up here. And take that edge around like that. I'm going to put that back together in a moment. Now those two edges I just kind of lined up. I'm going to make them into a ridge. try to make them into a ridge. I'll try that command again. Yeah, that worked that time. This one here, I'm going to make it into a triangle. Okay, I'm going to check that in the overview camera. It's certainly not done, but it's more towards, yeah, being finished. I'm going to take this edge here and reattach it. I detached it earlier, so I'm going to attach it again. Yeah, that worked. Now this side's liable to be a little dicey, because I think it's going to tie into this roof plane. I'm just going to click on this edge and join roofs, and then click on the other edge and see what happens. See where it goes. Didn't go anywhere. Okay. Okay. Well, it did do something. Okay, I'm going to go back to plan view. I'm hitting Control Tab to go back to plan. So it's that roof plane there I was working on. There's the adjacent one. That's just not working. I'm going to grab this point here and put it up here, and try to join those two edges again. Yeah, you see this kind of thing all the time when you do manual roof editing. I just ignore it. It's the software telling you that it can't carry out the command you just gave it. So I'll give the command again. Get the same result. So that sort of thing tells you that the geometry is not correct for it to carry out the command. I'm going to do a little guessing here, put a break here and stick that over there. I never use this dialog. I always say go away, don't come back. Now I'm going to try this edge again. The software can't connect two roof lines one to each other. It'll connect one to another, but not more than two. It can't do two at a time. Well, that's ugly, isn't it? Well, what do you want for free? Okay, there's that one there. I think this is going to come up. Not quite sure why it's split over there, but I'm going to snap it along that line and then take a look. Manual roof editing takes patience. If you don't have patience, then hire somebody else to do it. Okay, there's that roof plane. Okay, that's going up there. That doesn't belong there. I'm just going to get rid of that. Wait for my computer to catch up with me. There we go. And I get that. Can't do it, boss. Error message again. Okay. Well, this edge ought to connect to this edge. Ought to connect to that edge. Pretty sure of that. Yeah. I don't quite know. Yeah, this. Oh, okay. I think this goes up here. I'm just going to drag it up. Oops, I lost control of it. I'm waiting for the computer to catch up. There we go. I'm going to control key it over there. Back to over in the neighborhood of where I think it goes. I'm going to go back to plan. Okay, there's that one. There's that one. Well, the video shows 1, 2, 3 hip planes there, and I put those in. Not quite sure why the geometry's not working. Well, these deals are usually symmetric. And that one, I don't know what the pitches are. I can't tell what the pitches are supposed to be from the photograph. I can tell that this geometry that we've got at this pitch is wrong. You got 812. No, this can't be 812. I'm going to try 6. Drop them to 6. This one and this one. I'm just guessing here, but I can see from the geometry that whatever you had set as the pitch isn't going to work. I'm going to rejoin those. Now, the major difference is going to come along this edge and the mating edge, because I lowered the pitch. See how that looks more like the video. I need this edge, and I'm going to just drag this down and make it into an isosceles triangle, and then see if it won't join to that adjacent roof plane here. Okay, that worked a little bit better. It's not working perfectly, but it's working better. I'm going to go back to the overview. That certainly looks more like the video image, only these don't go as far up. Yeah, these don't go as far up roof as I'm having. Okay. Yeah, this thing here that breaks here and then goes up roof, I need to break that right along in there. I definitely need a faster computer. Drag that up there. Come on, baby. There, okay. That's close enough for government work. You want it closer than that, do it yourself. But yeah, that's the problem was that these are a lower pitch than the adjacent roof planes, and that's the trouble I was having. It's still not perfect, but for a freebie video, that's good enough. Now this, I think what I would do, I'm going to take this wall here. I'm going to copy it into a new plan. I need File, New Plan. I'm going to go Edit, Paste. Ah. It didn't paste. Let me try that again. I must have gotten a window or something. Oh, maybe let me try that again. Maybe you used a bow window or something. That's what you did. Okay, let me put a wall there. Didn't realize that's what you had used. So I screwed it up a couple of times. Now I'll try this again. I thought that was a curved wall, but it's actually a bow window. Why is it just not working? Let me see what the arc is here.
I don't think so.
Where's the arc data?
It's on the table, on the coaster.
Well, I thought, I guess it's not a CAD arc, so I'm not going to be able to get the CAD angle. Wait a minute, is that, no, that's not it.
Okay. There you go.
Well, fiddlesticks.
You see the monitor?
I don't use this kind of window. I would put a curved wall there and put some windows in it. So much less trouble. Okay, I tell you what, I'm going to draw a CAD arc over that and get that sucker close. Good enough. We'll copy that into my new plan. Somebody, what is going on? That cat line should have copied. Dad blast it. Well, I need to get that arc over there. That's a stupid arc. Nope. Is that the arc? There it is. I want to copy that over to this other plan. Was it CAD default turned off in this plan or something? What's going on? No. Is that on some odd layer? CAD default. I just want to copy this stupid arc over here. Why can't I see this stupid thing? Well, that's annoying. Okay, I'll just curve the wall. Sorry about being kind of slow-witted on this thing. I need these about the same dimensions. What is that? About 16 feet. That's too big. Click on the Alt button, bring that down. So it's about the same size. And I'm going to guess that the roof planes are going to be about 6 like the others. Okay, I'm going to just select those 3, copy them, and edit paste over here. Stick them out there. I'm going to carefully drag that group in there until those, well, that didn't work out very well, did it? This one's off a little bit. So I'm going to just manually move that one in. Again, for free work, if I was getting paid for this, I'd be more careful, but I think this is good enough. Now I need to find out what this fascia height is, so I'm going to open this plane here and find out what it is. Fascia top, there it is, 214, and we'll copy that. Yeah. Lock the pitch, put in the fascia top value, and have them all match here momentarily. That one's off a little bit, I can tell. Alter that one. Okay, that ought to be fairly close. Now this plan, I don't need it anymore. That was just to create those curved roof planes. I was hoping that would be easier than manually drawing them in there. That may prove to be not true. Okay. Yeah, that'll work. And I'm not going to spend time tying all of this in because that's the time-consuming part. Lining up, I might have to adjust these and line them up, but that's basically it. Let's see, I'm going to look at this video some more. I think you got the rest of it pretty good. There's a little rough area right there. Let me start it over.
And this game came with these little packages?
Yeah, the rest of it you got pretty well cleaned up.
Jessica make those?
Be nice if this thing moved faster. I don't see any major problems in what you've done. Just that curved roofs in the back, and of course that needs some more work. But I'm not gonna make it perfect and send you this file. You need to ask for some help. I'll show you some help. But that can easily be done manually, if patiently and carefully, and then I think you're all set. So you would then take this roof plane here, put brakes in it, and carefully tile this in and line these up, and then move on. In terms of this area over here, I noticed you got a bad spot here. You probably have the walls in the wrong place, because you're not going to have a wall out here with no roof out over it. So take a look at that and find out what's actually true in that house, and adjust the walls and the roofs accordingly. Okay, thanks for watching.